Hi, I'm Meg from Azure.
And I'm Chloe.
We have our apples from Azure. We picked them up at our drop, and Azure had an amazing, abundant harvest of apples this year. They are really, really good and really great. We have a bunch of varieties available. Our family loves having all kinds of apple treats during the fall. We like apple pancakes, apple crisp, apple pies, pretty much anything, apple sauce.
Apple oatmeal.
Apple oatmeal, that's right. She had that for breakfast this morning. Today we're gonna make some apple crisp, and we've got everything out. We just figured we'd show you. We're gonna put the recipe down in the comments, but just wanted to show you our beautiful apples. You can order a box, have it delivered to your drop. They're organic and lots of different varieties and a fabulous price. We also have everything that we need to make our apple crisp from Azure. Azure's coconut oil makes it really delicious. We've got Azure's oats and cinnamon, and we just encourage you to place your order, put a couple boxes of apples in there, and get going with your cooking.